Saturday night, 7 o'clock, getting some dinner cooked for my husband and I. Let me know that you're here joining me. I've got the thing flipped around. It makes it hard. Anyway, let me know that you are here joining me tonight. Let me know by giving me some thumbs up, commenting in the comments that you're watching me live, or if you're watching the replay. Hey, Stephanie, comment that you're watching me live. I would love to know, what did you cook for dinner? You always cook yummy stuff. Hey, Laura, how are you tonight? Let me know what y'all are having for dinner this Saturday night. I'm going to cook in the air fryer, and before I do it, I thought, oh, let me just jump on live and show you guys. So tonight, I'm cooking actually out of the air fryer cookbook, and I'm cooking something called crispy cod. There you go. Hey, Shannon, how are you? Oh, Stephanie had leftover tacos. Yum. Hey, Peggy. So I'm cooking out of the cookbook tonight, the crispy cod, but I'm not using cod. I'm using some tilapia that I got from the Schwann's man. Here I am promoting Schwann's again. Honestly, there's nothing that I don't like from Schwann's. So I'm going to be using the tilapia. So I wanted to show you guys how quick and easy this recipe is. Y'all that are watching me live, please be sure to comment live. All right? All right. First step with this recipe, I already did it, is I needed to get some asparagus ready and take some corn off the cob. So you guys do know that when you are cooking with asparagus, you just break it, and wherever it breaks, you throw away the end piece and you keep the rest of it. So I've got my asparagus on here. Hey, Kathy, y'all comment that y'all are watching me live. And then I have some fresh corn on the cob, and I used our kernel cutter to take that right off the cob. It's super easy to do. I actually just put this in a bowl, lean it against the bowl, and just take it right off the cob. Super sharp. You can do it from raw, which I did, or you can even use it with cooked. So anyway, so I got my asparagus and my corn here, and I'm just gonna place this on the bottom level of the air fryer. I had to move my air fryer there so y'all could see it. It's a little wobbly, but I'm sure it'll make do. And now I'm going to go ahead and get the topping for the fish, because it's called a crispy fish, a crispy cod. So in my 2-cup prep bowl, I already have 2 tablespoons of butter melted. Hey, Kathy, thanks for watching. I got 2 tablespoons of butter already melted, and to that I need to add a 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs. Well, this is for 4 pieces of cod, and I've only got 2 pieces of tilapia. So I don't really need the whole 1/2 cup. So I got 1/3 of a cup. So I'm just going to use 1/3. We'll add that. The next ingredient is some garlic powder. I don't need to measure garlic powder. I'm just going to shake it on in there. We'll mix that up. And then a little bit of salt and pepper. And then the recipe does call for some dried parsley. I don't have dried parsley, so I'm just going to use our all-purpose dill. We have a huge assortment of delicious seasonings, and the dill for fish to me just makes sense, so I'm going to add that. I'm going to stir all that together real fast. Let me just grab a little spoon, stir it together. Now, I said before, this recipe did call for cod, which I didn't have. I'm using some tilapia that I got from the Schwann's man. So I'm just going to place the tilapia on the air fryer grate right here. And I need to baste it with a little bit of mayonnaise. Shh. My husband is over there. He doesn't like mayonnaise. Shh. But what he doesn't know won't hurt him, right? All right. So I'm just going to I put some mayonnaise in the prep bowl, and I'm just going to use my basting brush, and I'm just going to baste that on the top of it. So if y'all have not used the Schwann's man yet, their salmon is amazing. I do it in the air fryer probably 3 or 4 times, well, probably 3 times a week for myself. And I just set it for 7 minutes in the air fryer, and it's done. I put it on the roast setting. All right, so I put too much mayonnaise in my bowl. All right. And then now to that, I'm just going to add our little Crispies right here. Put it right on top of the fish. Can y'all even see what I'm doing? I realize I probably didn't angle my phone. So this is going to be absolutely delicious. So then I'm going to come back. I'm going to put this in the air fryer. I'm going to come back and show you the the vinaigrette that goes on top of everything when it comes out. All right, I'm kind of making a mess. That's all right. All right, so what did y'all think of today's weather? Yucky, right? I was not expecting that at all. I did not enjoy it. I like hot weather. And it suddenly got chilly over here in Houston. All right, now this goes in my air fryer. So the vegetables go on the bottom and the fish goes on the top. So I'm gonna put that right here on the top. Close it. I'm not sure why I'm all wobbly. I've got it on my stove. All right, now I'm just gonna set it on the roast setting. You push the button and then you adjust the time. This says 9 minutes. And then you just press it again and then it'll start up. That's how easy it is to operate the air fryer. Piece of cake, nothing to it, super, super easy. Now we're gonna make the sauce. It's not called a sauce, it's called a lemon herb vinaigrette. So to do that, I have another prep bowl right here. To that I need to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Hey Heather, hey Jill, hey Janet. Y'all comment live that you're watching live. I'm just cooking with my air fryer. So 2 tablespoons of olive oil into my prep bowl. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I didn't have fresh lemon, but I always keep this little squeezy guy on hand. Can't believe I didn't have any lemon. So we'll add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. I'm not going to measure mustard. I'm just going to squirt it in. I don't have Dijon, but I have whole grain. So that's probably a little bit more than a teaspoon. That's okay. And then a teaspoon of honey. I don't have honey. You know what? Cooking at my house is all about compromise. You make do with what you got. Don't have honey, but I have this British thing called Lyle's Golden Syrup. It's like honey, so we're just gonna do a teaspoon of that. Again, I'm not gonna measure exactly. I'm just dumping my teaspoon in there. Put that in there, and I'm gonna use my mini whipper. So this guy's came back. We had this a long time ago. It got discontinued, and now it's back. And I love it for things like this. So I'm just gonna mini whip this all together. And then add a little salt and pepper, of course. You gotta have the salt and the pepper. Ooh, don't fall. And this is gonna be the vinaigrette that will go on top of the fish and the vegetables when they are done cooking in the air fryer. And then, ladies and gentlemen, that is my dinner. That's what we're having tonight. And I also have a green salad on the side. So this vinaigrette I've made before, it's so yummy. And you know what? I'm gonna add a little bit of dill to it as well. That sounds good to me. I don't know about you guys, but I love our dill seasoning. So whenever this comes out of the air fryer and I have it plated, I'll take a picture and show you guys just how delicious it looks. And it tastes delicious too. All right, thanks for watching me tonight. Y'all have a wonderful Mother's Day tomorrow. You need to celebrate yourselves. Y'all are wonderful moms, and I am honored to know you guys. Thank you. Have a great night. Bye. Okay, I'm already back because that's just how quick this dinner was. Super fast. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get it out of the air fryer and show you it plated. So these are our new little grips. They look like little puppet faces. Oops. So anyway, that does make it easier with the air fryer because it's not so big and bulky. So if y'all were watching me before, let me know that y'all were watching me before. All right. So here you can see the asparagus and the corn. Yep. Anybody there with me? Let me know you're there watching. All right. And here you can see we have the tilapia with the crispy topping. It looks delicious, I think. But again, I love fish, and asparagus is one of my favorite vegetables. So I just wanted to show you guys what it will look like plated. So I'm going to put some asparagus with the corn on my plate like that. And then I'm going to add a piece of this delicious tilapia to it. Ooh, baby, it's hot. Right on the top. There we go. And then to that, I'm gonna add the lemon herb vinaigrette. Hey Steph, how are you doing tonight? I just used my air fryer to make this amazing, delicious dinner. So we have asparagus with fresh corn, tilapia with a crunchy topping, and a lemon vinaigrette. There we have dinner in the air fryer, served in 9 minutes. Super fast and easy. Thanks so much. That's all, folks. Have a great night. Talk to you later. Bye.